In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibration on iPhone. So for us to get this done, I want you to head over to the settings. After doing so, you have here sounds and haptics. I want you to go ahead and open that one. So here at the top, you should be able to see here vibrate. Notice that there are two settings for your phone. You have the silent and you have the ring. So you can go ahead and change it by tapping or by switching this button here at the side. So for example, if I were to go ahead and switch it just like so, now it is on silent mode. And then if I'm going to go back, now it's on ring mode. So this is what we are talking here. So if you want to turn it off for both ring and silent, you can just go ahead and click this, and you can see that now we have turned it off for both settings. However, say for example, you just want to use the vibrate mode on silent, you can go ahead and toggle this on just like so. The same way if you're going to do that for ringing. So again, I'm going to turn it off just like so, and that's how you're going to get this done.